Okay, reading books. Yeah, reading is very important. So you want to make sure that you're reading a lot. People, I know we're busy. We might not have time to get reading done and we have other priorities, but try to do a little reading. Even if it's just a few pages a day, it'll help you out tremendously. Reading is going to help you, relax your mind. It's going to help you focus more. It's going to make you sharper. It'll make you think faster. There's a reason that smart people read a lot is because it's exercising your mind in a way. And it's like anything else, if you add reading to your routine, then you'll be able to put down a lot of books. Um, I know it's not helpful to tell you, just to read, but I could show you what I read. So one of the books I definitely recommend to read is this book. I have this book. This is the second time I'm reading it. Definitely check out this book. Have you seen this book before? Definitely check it out. If you read it, it's a good book. But I would definitely recommend reading that book. That's helped me out tremendously in my career, in my life, in my interpersonal relationships, in my professional relationships. And I talk about a lot of the stuff that I've learned in that book in this channel too. A lot of my management style, comes from the things that I've read, the things that I've seen, and the other people that I've been led by. So this is one of them. And it's helped me out a lot. So I would definitely recommend reading that book. It's good because I think the most important thing is that you're also learning to deal with people, and that's a very important skill to have is to learn how to deal with people because it'll set you apart. You got to be strong-minded. You got to be able to focus, able to think quickly. So this book is going to help you out. I would definitely recommend reading it. Keep up the reading. Any type of books that'll help your professional development is going to be great. But being a property manager, being an affordable housing site manager, resident manager, you want to constantly improve your skills and refine yourself and learn more. So we can do that by read more, add it to your routine. So I definitely recommend that. It's very important to keep up your reading.